Hello student, once again welcome in a Sahaj Shikshan YouTube channel. So student, today we are going to take standard 8. Subject is a history and civics. In that second chapter is Europe and India. So we are going to take a complete exercise of this chapter. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel, and if you like the video, please press the like button. So let's start to the exercise. In that question, first, rewrite the statements by choosing the appropriate options. So here comes the first question. In 1453, the city of was conquered by Ottoman Turks. Option: Venice, Rome. Option C is a Constantinople and D is a Paris. And C, here is the answer. In 1453, the city of Constantinople, here I highlight the word Constantinople, okay, was conquered by Ottoman Turk. Next, second question. The Industrial Revolution began in option A, England. Here is option B, here is a C. Okay. Option B is Italy, option C France, and option D Portugal. Answer: the Industrial Revolution began in England. Third question. Tried to put restrictions on the illegal trade of a British. Option A, Siraj ud Dowlah, Mir Qasim, Mir Jafar, Shah Alam. And the answer, Mir Qasim. Here I highlight. Mir Qasim tried to put restrictions on the illegal trade of British. Now, the second question. Explain the following concepts. So, in that, first question is colonialism. Answer. See student, this question is important, which was also asked in exam for 2 marks, right? So be prepared. Colonialism means one country exploiting another country by making it into a colony. A powerful country on the basis of economy and military strength occupies another region and establishes its political supremacy. This is known as a colonialism. Then second, imperialism. Answer. Imperialism means a system in which a powerful country controls other countries by establishing its overall domination and establishing many colonies. Third one, age of a Renaissance. Answer. In a history of Europe, the last phase of a medieval period, that is 13th to 16th century, known as the period of Renaissance. During the period, Reformation, religious reform movement, and geographical discoveries laid the foundation of the modern era. Hence, this period is also known as the age of a Renaissance. Next, fourth is a capitalism. And here is the answer. Student, if you like the video, please press the like button and subscribe to the channel. See the answer. With the discovery of new sea routes, began a new era of a trade between Europe and Asia. Many traders came forward to trade with Eastern countries through the sea route. It was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus, there was a rise of many trading companies. European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to these trading companies. This led to accumulation of wealth in Europe. This property was used in the form of capital for trade and commerce, which led to rise of a capitalized economic system in Europe. Now, the third question is, complete the following statements with reasons. First one, Siraj ud Dulha was defeated in the Battle of Plassey. And here is the answer of this question. So let's start to the answer. The Bengal province was one of the most prosperous provinces in India. In 1756, Siraj ud Dulha became the Nawab of Bengal. East India Company officers misused the trade concession obtained from Mughal Empire in the Bengal province. The English built fortification around the factory at Kolkata without permission of the Nawab. Hence, Siraj ud Dowlah captured the factory at Kolkata. This created discontent in England. Robert Clive diplomatically bribed Mir Jafar, the commander-in-chief of the Nawab's army, and also promised to make him the Nawab of Bengal. Nawab Siraj ud Dowlah and the British troops met at Plassey in 1757, but under the leadership of Mir Jafar, the Nawab's army made no move to actually join the battle. Therefore, Siraj ud Dowlah was defeated. So, this is the answer of this question. So, let's move ahead to the second question. The European countries' necessity of finding new trade route failed the necessity of finding new trade routes to Asia. See student the answer. In 1453 at the Ottoman Turks conquered Constantinople, the overland trade routes joining Asia and Europe went through this city. Since the Turks blocked this route, therefore there was a need of finding alternative trade routes for the European countries to reach Asia. Third one, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to the trading companies. And here is the answer of these questions. Let's see. With the discovery of new sea routes, began a new era of the trade between Europe and Asia. Right? Many traders came forward to trade with eastern countries through the sea route. Next, it was not easy to carry out trade single-handedly, and hence many traders came together and started trade. Thus, there was a rise of many trading companies. Trade with the Oriental countries was very profitable and responsible for economic prosperity. Hence, European rulers started giving military protection and trade concession to these trading companies. So here we write the answer of the question. Next, the question 4th, complete the following table. Okay, so this is the table. Seller contribution. First one, Bartholomew Dias contribution reached to tip of South Africa. Second one, Christopher Columbus reached on the eastern coast of the continent of America. And third one is Vasco da Gama reached the west coast of India at Calicut port. So we completed this table. Okay students, so here is the end of this exercise and the end of the video. If you like the video, please press the like button, subscribe to the channel, also share this video to your friends. Thank you and bye-bye.